BJP now raising questions over the law and order situation, but however, it seems that there is no end to what is now turning into a violent protest in Bengal's Murshidabad. As Times Now has been getting you the ground report over there. Earlier, when the violence broke out, there were prohibitory orders that were imposed, the internet that was suspended. However, it seems that violence once again broke out on Friday. Post the prayers, as far as our reporter there has been getting us the ground report, and even when it comes to the police chowkis that are also not being spared, police vehicles that have also been torched. As far as the BJP in the opposition is concerned, that is raising the question of vote bank politics and appeasement, saying that Hindus are also being targeted as far as when it comes to their homes and their temples are also concerned. Now, many of them at the BJP are raising questions over the maintenance of law and order and saying that the state appears to be helpless in front of the radicals. Let's in the meantime put out what Himanta Biswa Sarma is also saying. Despite having nearly 40% Muslim population, Assam has remained peaceful except isolated protests in places involving more than 150 participants each other against the Waqf Amendment Act. My compliments to the Assam police for their extensive groundwork that has helped maintain calm and order, and people across the state of Assam, irrespective of caste, creed and community and religion, are united in spirit and are eagerly preparing to welcome our beloved Bohag Bihu with joy and harmony as well. So here is the Assam Chief Minister saying that even though there has been protests there in the state, but it has been largely peaceful, and he is commending the work that has been done by the Assam police in maintaining law and order. However, a completely opposite situation that prevails in West Bengal, in particular Murshidabad, where again violence has broken out. And we heard when it comes to the leaders from the BJP saying that it seems that the Mamata government has tied the hands of the West Bengal police because they don't seem to be taking any stringent action against when it comes to the vandals and those who were a part of the riots and the protest as well. Police vehicles that have been charged up, police chowkis that have been vandalized, even when it comes to the boats there that have been torn apart. And right now the situation as far as that prevails in West Bengal, in Murshidabad in particular, it still continues to remain tense. However, when it comes to prohibitory orders that were imposed on the first time when the violence broke out in Murshidabad, the BJP now raising the issue, saying that even because of the violence that has been reported, Hindus are now at the target of these radicals as their homes have been affected and targeted, even when it comes to the Hindu temples that the BJP believes have also been targeted. Let's in the meantime head into a very short break. We'll continue to get you more ground reports. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.